It's been more than 5 months since the midterm election, and tonight, new information. A new report looked into Election Day printing problems that caused long lines and misread ballots in the state's largest county.
An independent report finding changes need to be made ahead of the next big election.
ABC 15 reporter Garrett Archer and Nicole Grigg with the very latest.
A 27-page report put together by former Arizona Supreme Court Justice Ruth McGregor, reviewing Election Day issues in Maricopa County. This is what election officials say happened last November.
It was not toner, it was a fuser, and they had to change the heat setting or the settings on the printer to heavy. For all three of the types of printers that get sent out.
For the most part, this report confirms those initial findings that impacted dozens of voting centers. The report finding that election officials used a longer ballot with heavier paper, which caused certain printers to not get hot enough to transfer ink to the paper. The report stating the combined effect of the heavy paper, longer ballot, and intermittent burst of print demand pushed the printers to perform at the very edge of or past their capability, so that any decrease in fuser performance in an individual printer could result in problems. ABC 15 election experts Garrett Archer.
So when it was fed through the tabulator could not determine that this was a legal ballot. So that was the problem. There were no problems with the tabulators. It was this printer, this heat fuser issue.
The report adding several recommendations before the next election, including replacing some of the printers, going back to using lighter paper, and changing how printers are tested before elections.
This part of the report is important. What she found is when these printers were only used one at a time, three at a time, two at a time, as it would be in real life, that's when these problems occurred because these printers didn't have enough time to heat up and print on this heavier paper. That's one of the reasons the county did not see this in their testing, which ran the printers for a longer amount of time.
The report did not cite any fraud or intentional wrongdoing. It concludes that the issues were not human error, but equipment error. ABC 15 requested to speak with county supervisors who are in charge of Election Day, but they were unavailable. In Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.
Nicole, thank you.